The UniFi Dream Router provides multiple ways to access its management interface. We'll walk through each method step by step, starting with the most common local network access. First, you need to establish a physical connection to your UniFi Dream Router. Connect an Ethernet cable from your computer or device to one of the numbered Ethernet ports on the back of the router. Next, open your web browser and navigate to the router's IP address. The most common default addresses are 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Always use HTTPS for secure connection. Alternatively, you can use setup.ui.com for initial configuration. For initial access, use the default credentials, username UBNT and password UBNT. However, the system will immediately prompt you to change these to secure credentials during the setup process. This is a critical security step that should never be skipped. Beyond local access, the UniFi Dream Router offers convenient remote management options. You can link your router to your Ubiquiti account for cloud-based access from anywhere. The UniFi Network mobile app provides comprehensive management capabilities right from your smartphone. Security should be your top priority when accessing your UniFi Dream Router. Always enable multi-factor authentication for enhanced protection. Change default credentials immediately, use strong, unique passwords, and keep your firmware updated with automatic security updates enabled. You now have multiple ways to access your UniFi Dream Router: local network access through IP addresses, the setup portal, cloud-based remote access, and the mobile app. Remember that security should always be your first priority with proper authentication and credential management. The UniFi Dream Router includes a powerful integrated UniFi network controller, eliminating the need for separate controller hardware. This built-in system provides centralized management for your entire network infrastructure. Once logged in, the dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your entire network. You can see active sites, connected clients, Wi-Fi connectivity status, and real-time traffic statistics, all from a single interface. The controller provides centralized device management, allowing you to control all UniFi devices from a single interface. You can monitor device status, configure settings, and perform updates across your entire network infrastructure. Guest access management is simplified through the controller interface. You can create separate guest portals with custom authentication, bandwidth limits, and time restrictions, all while keeping guest traffic isolated from your main network. Network segmentation enhances security by creating separate network zones. You can configure distinct networks for IoT devices, guests, and your primary network, preventing unauthorized access between different device categories. Regular firmware updates are crucial for maintaining security and accessing new features. The controller interface makes it easy to check for updates, schedule installations, and ensure all your UniFi devices stay current with the latest security patches and enhancements.